What if aging wasn't just about getting old, but was about cellular energy? I've been taking these NAD Plus for a little bit here, and it's kind of like the buzzword right now. Well, what NAD Plus does is it basically support cellular rejuvenation, energy, and overall wellness. NAD Plus is a compound naturally found in your body that plays just a key role in energy production at the cellular level. And as we age, those levels naturally decline, which is why supplements in this category have really become so popular. They boomed in the last little bit. You hear it all over the place, basically attacking it at the cellular level. And what makes this formula interesting is it's not just NAD Plus by itself. It combines Liposomal and NAD Plus with ingredients like CoQ10, Resveratrol, spearmine, PQQ, L-theanine, and apigenin. I am not a doctor. I don't know anything about these words, what they really mean. I've done the research, and you should too. But basically what it comes down to is that all of those things are commonly used to support a mitochondrial function, brain health, and overall vitality. So it's a delivery system into your body. It's designed to help improve the absorption compared to basic standard capsules. So you just absorb it a lot faster, which is awesome. And I generally take about 4 of these a day. It's just part of my daily regimen, daily supplement. This isn't a quick 10 minutes like caffeine. It's more of a long game, support your body from the inside out approach. So if you're focused on energy management throughout the day, healthy aging, and optimizing performance over time, then I definitely consider doing some research with this.